Alright, man, we back. You know what I'm saying? Finally got that missing piece put on. A lot of y'all didn't even know that was missing. If you look in the IG pictures, man, this piece got knocked off because somebody hit it in the parking lot. And I lost it a little minute ago, but it is on there and looking good, man. See, y'all know me and my line work. But I finally got a big boy mod. Nigga been waiting. So y'all know shipping been a motherfucker. So y'all know shipping been a motherfucker. So nigga finally got some shit he been waiting on, man. Ow. Some of y'all might know what that is, but finally got the Z Automotive bypass, man. The taser, you feel me? Or actually, it's the Z Automotive taser with the bypass. You gotta, I think it's 2018 or above, you gotta get the bypass. So if you got a 2018 and you like me, you gotta hook it up through the trunk. So the first thing you wanna do, get all the mess out the back, and just take this out. So, I forgot, hold on, let me put this there. So, it's the two little Velcro straps that go across the back and attach to the bottom. And this is your trunk liner. You just take this out. Alright. So, if you look in here, this is the wire we're gonna be getting into. And this runs back here into kind of like a little fuse box that we gotta get into. We're gonna climb in and we're gonna get to that. Alright, so once you get on the inside, you wanna lift up this goddamn boy. So once you get that out, move all this out the way, lift this back, and this is gonna be your little fuse box. And it's, keep this down here, some pins on all these sides, just around it, that you just pop the tab on, lifting up out of there. This is where that flathead come in use. That off, you want to get your bypass. Where I put that? I'll leave that shit up there. Ready? Yo. Alright. Then you want to get your taser. You know what I'm saying? Or not the taser, the bypass. You want to get your bypass, stretch him out. This part is gonna be going down by the battery, so you can put that down that way, get that out the way. That'll go with this too. This is where your power is gonna come from. And there's another part, I'll show you that here in a second. So these two wires, and they made this real simple for, it's literally dummy proof. So once you get into the fuse box, you literally put the green one on the green side, and then the white one on the white side. Real simple. And these little grooves, you see right here, those go on top. Or I'm sorry, these go on the bottom. The flat side that goes on the bottom. So come over here. And you'll hear that click when it's in there. Do the same thing on the other side with the white one. Oh. Alright. Simple. So that's all you gotta do on that.
done there. So like I said, real simple. Put the green cord with the green, put the white with the white, and just plug and play. Once you plug those in, you're gonna take the top, put the top back on. Make sure you ain't got nothing hung up. Put these down here. Struggle Street. I put him on the wrong way. What is this? Oh yeah, I'm tweaking. I was gonna say why these ain't lining up. Alright. So we all click back in. That's down. So put this back. Take your Christmas tree, pop it back in. You all done on the inside. So remember this part I was telling you about earlier. So this is what's gonna power the bypass, and it comes with this double fuse bypass right here. So you gonna plug and play these. Make sure that's snug in there. Alright. And then this is gonna be your ground. But we'll get to that here in a second. So come back here to your fuse box. And you can look on here and see where your fuses are. And it'll show you your map layout. You're looking for, there's 3 rows. So it's 1, 2, 3. The back one. And then you're looking for the second one from the left. It's a 20 amp fuse. Boom. 20 bar. Yes, sir. So you're gonna take that 20 bar, throw it in here. Oh, don't do that. You're gonna take that 20 bar, put it in this bypass. And it's too big, boy. Okay, there we go. True. Alright. And then right where you just took that 20 from, you're gonna put this in there. And that's what will power your bypass. So now that's out of there. You need to get a 10mm socket wrench and undo this right here. We're just gonna loosen this up a little bit. Got it the wrong way. Loosen this up a little bit. Just enough so we can get this ground on here. Put that in right behind there. And there we go. Alright, so now you got everything all tapped in, man. You got your ground, you got your power, and here is where your port goes for your bypass. So then, or this is where your port is for your taser. So then, once you get your taser, plug it into the port, and then boom, the lights will come on, let you know you did it right, man. You can see the wires are hanging right now. I'm gonna zip tie this all down and everything here in a second. But, so you see it, man. Another quick and easy install. It wasn't too much. We gonna clean this up. And then once I get him all ready, I'm gonna show y'all some of these options. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. Got the big boy performance pages on here, man. I will show y'all how we do it. Ooh, the timer. Cooling gauges, all that, man. G-forces. Yeah, this is crazy. that's all y'all get for this one. Y'all gonna have to wait for some other videos to where I really like, you know what I'm saying, really jump into everything that's in here. That's just a little startup, you feel me, to install and to show you that it works. If I could do it, y'all know y'all can, you feel me? And you know you can hit me up for questions. Hit me on IG at WhipsWithWavy. If you got any questions, man, don't ask no dumb stuff. I try to answer as many questions as possible, man, but y'all gotta remember, if you watch these videos, I put these videos up on purpose, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can help yourselves, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause a lot of the stuff that I was doing, there wasn't no videos out there for me. So I just started making what I was missing, you feel me? So, like I said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Shout out to my nigga Jeff for holding the cam. First time we got to do this was different. Let me know if y'all rocking with the vibes, and shit, man. Till next time, when these parts come in, y'all stay roaming free. Yeah, sir.